Hi, welcome to Technoland Expert. This HTML document is a pure HTML plus CSS illustration that visually draws the cartoon character Doraemon without using any images or JavaScript, relying entirely on semantic div and span elements styled with CSS shapes, borders, gradients, positioning, and pseudo-elements. The head section sets character encoding and responsive viewport rules, then defines a large style block where nearly all the logic lives, starting with a reset-like body style that removes margins, hides horizontal overflow, and centers content vertically, while the .Doraemon container acts as the main wrapper that constrains the drawing's width, fixes its height, and vertically centers it on the page using absolute positioning and transform. Translate y, -50%. The Doraemon head is built using .Doraemon_face, a circular div with a blue gradient background and dark border, inside which Doraemon_face__circle creates the white face area anchored to the bottom of the head, and nested within that are the facial features. The eyes are constructed using a flex container with two vertical oval spans, each having a pseudo-element, after to create the black pupils positioned asymmetrically to give expression. The nose is a red circular element with a glossy highlight created via another after pseudo-element with a blur-like box shadow, and the mouth is cleverly formed using pseudo-elements, after draws the large curved smile arc using a circular border with the top and sides hidden, while before draws the vertical center line below the nose, and the whiskers are represented by .mouth_hair spans that use rotation and additional pseudo-elements to form angled lines on each side of the face, below the face. Doraemon_face__belt creates the red collar using a gradient and rounded rectangle, and the bell is a yellow circular span with internal details added via before and after to represent the bell hole and slit. The body is constructed in .Doraemon_bottom, another blue gradient rectangle with a white pocket area, .poc_cr, containing a smaller circular pocket, .poc, whose opening illusion is made using a white overlay and border, while a subtle box shadow gives depth. The feet are drawn using a flex container with two rounded white shapes extending wider than the body to simulate Doraemon's stance, and the hands are formed using absolutely positioned spans with skew transforms, where the arms are blue rectangles and the hands are white circular shapes attached via pseudo-elements, mirrored on both sides using last child selectors and reverse transforms. Additional decorative touches include the small white tail-like element created with .Doraemon_bottom. After extensive use of border radius to achieve organic curves, gradients to add dimensionality, and borders to outline the character consistently, while the unused .Doraemon H1 style hints at a possible watermark or signature text positioned vertically along the edge of the screen. Overall, the code demonstrates advanced CSS illustration techniques such as layered positioning, pseudo-elements for extra shapes without extra markup, flexbox for alignment, transforms for rotation and skewing, and gradients and shadows for depth, all orchestrated to render a recognizable Doraemon figure entirely through code rather than images.